Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be creating this easy smoky eye for you guys. I had been getting a lot of questions about how to create a smoky eye that was wearable, that wasn't intimidating for some reason. You know, a lot of people think that in order to do a smoky eye you have to do a black smoky eye, but you don't. And today I'm going to be creating this really soft wearable smoky eye for any day or night occasion. You can always just smoke it out more, add more darkness to it. So if you are interested in recreating this look, go ahead and stay tuned and keep on watching, and I really hope you guys like it. Bye! Okay, so we're going to start by applying a color to our crease. And the palette I'm going to be using today is this one from Too Faced. This is a natural matte palette. I figured this would be the perfect eyeshadow palette for a smoky eye, especially if you want just a very simple and easy smoky eye. As you can see, we have a range of colors here from light to really dark, so you can go as dark as you want. But the first shade I'm going to apply to my crease, I think I'm going to apply the shade Nude, which is sort of like a cool brown shade. So I'm going to apply this one to my crease. So I want to apply this all throughout my crease, all the way to the inner and outer corners, but keeping it a little bit above the crease as well. So this is your crease, you want to make sure you apply it all here. Apply a little bit more. Can't really see it because it's not that much darker than my skin, but that's what you want. You don't want to apply a really dark shadow in your crease to begin with, because it's always better to build up than it is to take away. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Now, as you can see, you can't really see the eyeshadow, but it's serving us as a base to the next color. So for the next shade that I'm going to use, it's going to be the shade Cashmere Bunny, which is this one right here. This one's a bit darker. It still has that same undertone. So I'm going to go into Cashmere Bunny, and I'm going to apply that to my crease as well. But I'm not going to, instead of bringing the brush high, I'm going to bring it a little bit lower. So the first time I was bringing it above the crease, now I want to stay within the crease. So now you can see the shade a little bit more, and it's creating more of a shadow now. So you can see where my crease is. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and then if I want to darken it up more, I will. But I'm going to leave it like this for now and move on to the other eye. By the way, this brush is the Morphe M535, and it's just a fluffy brush, which is what you want to apply products to your crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go into a different brush. This one is from Sigma. This is the E25 brush, and as you can see, it's a little bit of a smaller crease brush. It has more of a flat shape, but it's still pretty fluffy. But it won't apply as much product because it's more tapered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into, I'm not sure which color I want to do on my lid, but I think I'm going to take Risque, which is this color here. It has a bit of a purpley undertone right here. So I'm going to take a little bit, and as you can see, I took it on the flat side of on the flat side of the brush, and I'm just going to apply that to my lid. I'm going to take more risque and I'm going to keep applying that to the lid. And remember, I'm keeping it mainly on the mobile lid. I don't want to go past my crease with this shade. I'm actually going to apply more of Cashmere Bunny, which is this one here. The second shadow we use. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that to my crease, just to make sure that the colors are blending in. And okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little flat brush like this. So I'm going to take the shades Espresso, which is the dark brown here, and I'm just going to grab a little bit and I'm going to apply that to closest to my lash line, so just around here. Bringing it higher. Take some more of that and apply it to the other eye. I'm gonna take another eyeliner and I'm just gonna start applying some of it to my lash line here. I'm actually gonna take some black eyeshadow because the Espresso is just not cutting it, so I'm going over that pencil liner just to make it a little darker. And I'm gonna take some of Cashmere Bunny, which is this one right here, and I'm actually gonna mix it with Risque right here, which was the one we applied all over our lid, just a little bit, just tap it in there. So I'm gonna apply a little more of that Espresso shade, which is the darkest brown, and I'm just applying it here on the eyelid, but I'm not going too high up. So there you go. Now all you have to do is curl your lashes and apply some mascara or apply some falsies. I'm not sure if I'm gonna apply falsies. I mean, it would look a lot better with falsies, but if you're not into wearing eyelashes or you don't have time, you could just curl your lashes and apply lots of mascara. It will look nice either way. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to apply, this is from the Balm. It's one of the instain blushes, and this one's in the shade Lace. Now I'm going to apply some highlight, and the highlight I'm going to use is this one from Lorac, and this is the shade Starlight. I'm just highlighting my brow bone here. It's going to make that smoky eye pop a little bit more. And I'm going to apply some of this same eyeshadow to the inner corners here. For the lips, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some gloss. And the gloss I'm going, actually, you know what, I'm going to apply some lip liner first and then I'll apply some gloss. This one is from NYX and this is in the shade Natural. Okay guys, so this pretty much completes the look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys thought it was easy enough to recreate. Give it a thumbs up if you thought it was easy and if you liked it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video.